This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Ted Doucette. This beautiful home is situated on a large corner lot with partial views of the bay. The home boasts an open floor plan with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, custom tile work, cozy radiant heat, whole house water softener and much more. The first floor also includes an office, a guest bedroom, a bathroom, laundry room, and a master suite complete with a walk-in closet and an ensuite bath. Heading upstairs, there is a bonus room, a bedroom with another ensuite bathroom, and a deck with a view. The property also includes RV/sport court. Moving outside, there's a garden area with blueberry bushes, strawberries, and other plants. Walk to community pool, golf course, marina, boat launch and more. VRBO/Airbnb opportunity. For more information, review the details below or contact Ted Doucette at 360-734-7500.